In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Wix website. To begin, go to wix.com and click Get Started. This will take you into the setup process where you can begin building your site. If you are new to Wix, you will need to create an account first. During setup, Wix will also ask you to choose your website's industry. This helps the platform suggest designs and features that match the type of website you want to create, whether it is for a business, portfolio, blog, or something else. Once that is done, choose a template layout or start designing the site in the way that fits your goals. Templates are useful because they give you a professional starting point, and you can always change the content and style later. Pick a layout that matches the look and structure you want, so the editing process feels easier from the start. Next, begin customizing the site using Wix's drag-and-drop editor. You can click directly on text sections to replace the default wording with your own content. You can also swap images, update your branding colors, and adjust the overall style so the site reflects your brand or personal identity. The editor is visual, so you can move elements around and see the changes as you make them. After that, use the Pages and Menu sidebar to organize your site navigation. This is where you can control how visitors move from one page to another. A clear navigation menu makes your website easier to explore, so take a moment to make sure the page structure is simple and logical. When the desktop version looks good, click the mobile icon to adjust and optimize the layout for phones. This step is important because many visitors will view your website on a mobile device. Check that text is readable, images fit properly, and buttons are easy to tap. Before you publish anything, click Preview to test the website. This lets you review the full experience from a visitor's perspective. Open the pages, test the links, and make sure everything works the way you expect. It is a good idea to catch small issues here before the site goes live. Finally, when you are happy with everything, click Publish to make your website live. At that point, your Wix website will be available online and ready for visitors. That covers everything you need to know.